Okay, so we need to think of a function like a machine. Okay, you put something into the machine, something happens, you get something out. Alright, so you have an input, the thing you put in, it goes into your machine or your function or your rule, and you get out an output. Okay, so for example, my input might be 7. Okay, my input might be 7. Now my rule or my function is telling me multiply it by 4 and then add 1. So 7 is my input, multiply it by 4, 28, add 1. So that's my output. Okay, everyone okay with that?
Excuse me please, Laura Ryan to reception now. Laura Ryan.
So my x's are the input and my x's are the inputs and my outputs are the y's. Now we'll worry more about the notation after this, but just for today we're going to keep going with these little diagrams. Okay? So what if I got this diagram? X is my input, multiply by 3, add 2, and I get my output. How would I write that as an equation? Okay, excellent. So the way we start this, so the rule or the function, we always start with y equals. So y equals, that's how I get my output. Y equals. So x is my input. What do I do to x? How do I multiply by 3? 3x, and then I need to add 2 plus 2. So that's my rule. So you've seen this type of thing before. Okay, now we're just calling it a function instead of calling it an equation, but it's still the same thing. Is that alright? Yeah? Your inputs are all the x's, your outputs are all the y's.